Hei hi Akashvani Aizolani Chanchin Thar Achhiar tu Silian Sang Puya Mizoram District Pakua Village Council Aizol Municipal Corporation Lunglei Municipal Council Huam Chunga Local Council in Thana Chu Tum Tan Mingpek Lute Voin Hian Endik Ani Ang Mizoram Truck Owners Association MTOA le Mizoram Truck Drivers Association MTDA chu Vareng Tele Sarang in Car National Highway Kongsia Wangin Voin Ani Ni Nam Anding Zui Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar chuan election boy puitu te chu thudik lo the darle internet lama inbum na do tura ro mana thasiam turina cha Maharashtra a Jalgaon district rel che sula thisa chu som pathum manting to Mizoram district Pakua Village Council le Aizol Municipal Corporation le Lunglei Municipal Council huam chunga local council in thana chu tumte tan mingpek lu te chu voina endik ani ang hen thana chu tumte mingpek lu hun chu nimin khan khar ani a voin chomadar som khat atang endik tan ani anga inhnuk dog du te tan kar le tho tan ni chanudar thum thleng hun hon ani Aizol Lunglei Champhai Serchip Mamit Kolasip Saitwal Khozole Nathil District Baka Aizol Municipal Corporation le Aizol Municipal Council huam chunga local council ate thathar ni som pahnia in than ani anga vote chiar ngal ani ang Lunglei district VC Khosomret Parade local council za samli paret omna chu tur candidate ming pek lu top ni ani angin nimin khan candidate chuan an ming an ziaglut fela tudon dani Lunglei South BL silent khuwa chuan Congress party chu tu anam lo ani Lunglei hian political party pathum ZPM INC le MNF te chuan asang thavin an chu de veka Lunglei khopui LMC area chuam ni zain hlona om talote bufai man to kongpui sele LMC omta ka wanga nun phung dangnam ta chungchang te aw hlaber pakhat ni im VC Trampo toile Lunglei SPC thia tumna omnia lang chu ZPM sarkar an beina ani bera so thing nei an har sa dona wangin sarkarin in than abwa sei ti tele sikul no pang exam don haya in than abwa sei ni chu zirlai te ngai saklo na ani ti ten sarkar an demani heti la hen realize ZPM chuan thai thar lei ani don thule sarkarin kum khatna mangzo ta a tak takin ma ala theidon ta a mi pui be se na angin atakin a thleng don tran ti in an chei ve thung ani Agricultural Processed Food Product Export Development Authority apeda bultumin Thathar State pona thon chua ma a songbol dan tur zir hona nimin khan Aizol ka pa nei ani workshop hi Professor Dr. NC Saha Chairman Foundation for Innovative Packaging and Sustainability FIPS on ka akai shuaya Piramdin Secretary Agriculture and Farmers Welfare le Horticulture Department zone heuni man puyani Piramdin le zone kalkhomte fuinele du sangna hlanin Mizoram atanga thai thar thon chu ma a songbol le vontradan injete na mumal taka nei chho ani chu lomamati thu sein workshop booklet atlang zar ngalani Additional Director of Horticulture Puelal Mingmo ya chuan Mizoram atanga thai thon chu chungchang tele songbol that atul zia asoizawa mithiam rual nena tengin marcha ai eng so thing ni anthurem pangpar en kolle songbol dan zirti na ngai thang ni in zone le chana hunte manani workshop hi apeda Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority bultumin Department of Commerce Ministry of Commerce and Industry le Mizoram Horticulture Department nen tangkopin bot sai ani Serchip ICDS project hoi hotin National Girl Child Day le BBBP scheme kumsom tin lom na polin min khan kong zoni a thupuyatan work for the girl child ti manani ehuna hian pikaril lalpari Serchip CDPO chuan National Girl Child Day hi kumtin January ni samni pale lom thenani thusoya kumena hian hemi pol mai baka BBBP scheme kumsom tin lom na ni bokin athil tumte anchen ezolnan block levela hun man tura ti ani thusoya Anganwadi Center tina thutiam sei ni in tree plantation campaign ne ani tur thusoi ani Poshan coordinator Pilal Digital te kai shoin mechena panghum him ani the tura intiam na soirola ni a kongzoa hian WCD noi office sang DPO office OSC Shakti Sadan ne Anganwadi worker le helper te DCPU office staff te antel ani Mami District Women and Child Development le Education Department noya District Hub for Empowerment of Women chuan Meiseno pangteni National Girl Child Day polin nimin vekhan high school meiseno pangtata ni khat o volleyball in elna anbot saya hen elna hi meise te infirm na konga man son zel tura bot se ni in kong zone le arolna nei ngala ni a in elna hian pakhana government mamit high school 2 pathina new mamit high school pathumna Presbyterian English School palina government Marmit High School ten ni a larin diki government Marmit High School twin player thaber loman adong ani Mizoram Truck Owners Association MTOA le Mizoram Truck Drivers Association MTDA chu vaireng tere sairang in car National Highway kongsia wangin voin anhi na anding chun zoma MTOA Secretary Pudin Natal chuan nimin chama khan PWD Minister Hova Kong Chezwal siam that ngai tura ngai poima masakte soihwani thu sein sarkar apo basin sang tak an ne thu soya kong hi zotla ka siam ani malo chuan tanan tumlo thu sein Paul ni te malak na mi puiten an thlop thle nia a hria thu soi ani
ami pui pamin thop tha nin kan khia kan lom khop mai kong siam thai mai kan chan lo wanga sarkar apo basin sang tak kan nei atam der chu bu fai phur an nianga chuba ka chuanin in sakna bungra phurchi brick ti te balu le cement phurtele chome phurte ponyang chung ho chu kan ni hmel
MTOA le MTDA malak na hi Mizoram Tipper Association le Kolasip District Tipper Association Kolasip District chunga truck driver le owner Joint Action Committee le Konpui Truck Driver Association ten MTOA le MTDA malak ni thopin anding ve ngalani PWD Minister Puvalan chuan Mizoram ele bar lak lo na Kongpui ber National Highway number puruk Konpui atanga khamrang kong thom that me ka thwa Puvalan na chuan mi pui te hars na hria in Mizoram PWD kong enkol ni mi alawa mo phurna an la nia soin mi pui le lirthei nei tu te point sarkar thanem ngai na hria thiam pui thin se andu atia vaireng te atanga sairang in car National Highway number puruk chu NHIDCL ko ta omni in engemo nalak do na wangin Mizoram State Sarkar chu mi pui mamo na hria in enkol lai lo kan yati a Mizoram Sarkar na enkol nu hian a thau khatnan he kong pui thom thatnan nikum khan cheng noi somsiri panga se na lo ni to a nikum vek khan NHIDCL ko ta omle tura ro manani line NHIDCL te hian anlak sak tak silo wangin Mizoram Sarkar chuan state poisa arem chang ang pot khomin voithlang hian mi pui te mamona hria in enkol chunzom le tari ani ati PWD Minister chuan National Highway number puruk thom that na hi nisom ni atang khan atum ni nan tho tan le ani a tuntruma hian cheng noi za somni pangaro man in February ni som panga siam za tumani a sumro man sa hian adai melo wangin sarkar adi bel le mek ani a ngor taka siam mek ani ati Healthy Lunglei District campaign kal zelani ni kal ta chung khan Lunglei District khothang lam tlabung RD block chunga tabla bak le pon khai kho ate athona inen tirna le hrisena lam injirtina hunbot saini he program atan hian Chief Medical Office Lunglei atangin medical team thok chuakin khomi puite tan athona in intinan bot saya nanen kai chon thailo non communicable disease NCD chungchang injirtin ni in NCD omzia ananalan chuadane nanalo om chan baka NCD nanalaka inventan tur kong sang sang te zir ho ani a NCD velo endik annibok chanchin thar hi Akashvani Aizol atanga puan ani a AIR News Aizol YouTube channel All India Radio News Aizol Facebook page le news on air.gov.in ate chanchin tharing ai thak le share thaya da ani voin chanu dar ni le chan via chanchin thari puan le ani ang Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar chuan election boy pui tu te chu thudik lo the dar le internet lama inbum na do tura ro man tha siam turina cha nimina ni hi o Election Commission of India Conference New Delhi about say head we soya Pukumara chuan technology le digital lama thiam na thar ten in thlan na thalerin tlak ne konga an puina sa hle ti a voter thinlunga rinna tu konga po an paimo hliani atibok
The future of elections in democratic countries will likely be shaped by advancements in technology, use of artificial intelligence in political campaigns and in conduct of elections and in election observance, wide uses of electronic voting mechanisms best suited to each country, online voting and digital ballots, biometric authentication while voting, overcoming cyber security threats, overcoming impurities of inducements for voters, ease of settlement of post-election disputes, increase in global collaboration and timely detection and prevention of disruptive fake contents on social platforms. These are some of the illustrative areas of future management.
Maharashtra Jalgaon district area che solithiza chu som pathum anting to mithizinga som hi anina ti chen to ni a ponto ongin Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis chuan rel che sonal thanga thi anam chu peti Hussein anchung tan hena cheng no inga theu zang na domna pek ani angati a liam tor te po ani enkolasian so sarkar atum vek don ti apuang bok ani chanchin thar chiar ti topnan atlang pui Mizoram District Pakua Village Council le Aizol Municipal Corporation le Lunglei Municipal Council huam chunga local council in thana chu tumte tan min pek lute voin hen antikani ang Mizoram Truck Owners Association le Mizoram Truck Drivers Association tet variang tele sarang inkar National Highway kongsia wangin voin anhini nan anding zui Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar Chon election poi pi tu te chu thudik lo the dar le internet lama inbum na do tur ro mana thasiam turina cha Maharashtra Jalgaon district areal te sola thiza che som pathuman tling to chuti zong chu chanchin thar kan pon thei chu ani